May I suggest to you, Madam, I would likely not be welcome on one of your boards. But let me just say I think that this should be solid advice regarding veterans and our elders. Just give them the drugs that they need. Talking about maybe 75 million Americans. Most of them don't use a lot of medicine, and most of that medicine is not super expensive. Just going to go on record saying this is common opinion of a regular American across the country. Big Pharma has challenges with reputation, hearings like this, and unending lawsuits, billions of dollars. A billion is 1,000 million. You know, Americans can't get their heads wrapped around that. And meanwhile, you got veterans, you got our elders struggling to get drugs. Just give them what they need. You'll find it to be a win. Mr. Melito, you familiar with the Rice's whale situation?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm going to be questioning you on that. America suffers from a toxic legal climate for industry and insured businesses. This is well known, and litigation is a particular specialty of the modern era's weaponization of the executive branch against American citizens. When you have federal departments and agencies like the EPA, DOL, and NOAA working with activist organizations and recruiting and in many cases training plaintiffs, and those plaintiffs file lawsuits, then they sit back and wait for their settlements. It's quite a racket going after the transportation industry, our airports, our maritime ports, and oil and gas industry, agriculture industry, community banks and credit unions, trucking, rail. It's a growing racket, and it's disturbing. So today's hearing is entitled Unsuitable Litigation, Oversight of Third-Party Litigation Funding. And we're going to dive into something called the Rice's Whales regulation through litigation, as you referred to it, Mr. Melito. So by background, earlier this year, a coalition of environmental protection groups filed a petition with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, to establish a year-round 10-knot, that's about 11.5 miles per hour, vessel speed restriction zone and other vessel-related mitigation measures in the Rice's whale core habitat area, which is a large swath of the Gulf of Mexico. So for Americans watching, you're talking about whales that were essentially determined to use that area as their habitat just a few years ago by NOAA. This is the major corridor for commerce in the Gulf of Mexico. They're talking about keeping vessels at under 10 knots and talking about them not operating at all at night. It would be like a death blow to American industry. You think inflation is bad now. If these rules go into effect, it's going to be exponentially worse.
Wow, friends, a big day is coming up for many Americans. The Social Security Administration has just released some huge news for a group of beneficiaries. Direct deposits worth as much as $4,000 are set to arrive very soon. My dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the latest news and information. Also, every Friday, I announce winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter these weekly giveaway, friends, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. Also, do stay tuned because I'll be announcing the winners of yesterday's giveaway. So it's official, friends. On Thursday, the SSI announced that benefits will increase by 3.2% in 2024. Next year's Social Security cost of living adjustment will be much smaller than the 8.7% bump for this year. However, it will nonetheless help the federal program's recipients somewhat cope with the rising costs of products and services. Nearly 50 million retired Americans receive Social Security retirement benefits. This is the largest group of Social Security beneficiaries by far, making up 74.5% of total beneficiaries. In August 2023, the average monthly payment for retired workers was $1,840. The 2024 COLA of 3.2% will add about $58 per month in benefits to this average. This brings the total to $1,899 per month, which amounts to almost $23,000 next year. Social Security retirement benefits are also paid to more than 1.9 million spouses of retired workers. The average monthly benefit for these spouses in August 2023 was $899. So with the adjustment, this total for 2024 will be $918 each month. In certain cases, children of retired workers are eligible for Social Security retirement benefits. This is a relatively small group, approximately 673,000 in August 2023. The average monthly benefit for these children of retired workers was $859. So with the 2024 COLA in effect, this average will increase by $27 to $886 each month. A single supplemental security income payment for November will be issued to recipients in just 18 days and will be worth up to $914 for individual filers. The next disbursement will be sent on Wednesday, November 1st, and it will be the first of such payments since Friday, September 29th. October's payment went out in September because of a quirk in the SSA's schedule. In October, recipients saw no payments because October 1st was on a weekend. According to a report from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, everything about financing a home purchase surged last year, from mortgage rates to fees and discount points. After the Federal Reserve began a historic campaign to try to rein in inflation, mortgage rates skyrocketed from a year low of 3.22% in January 2022 to a high for the year of 7.08% in November, making homeownership an unattainable goal for many would-be buyers. Rohit Chopra, director of the agency, said in a statement, "The higher interest rate environment had profound effects on the mortgage market in 2022, with borrowers paying much more in monthly payments. While the Fed doesn't directly set mortgage rates, what it does with its benchmark lending rate influences mortgage rates, and they were hit hard last year. In 2022, the number of mortgage applications fell by 38% from the year before, and the number of loans actually issued was down by 44%. Overall, the report found affordability declined significantly. Additionally, since buyers' cost calculations were greatly changed so quickly as mortgage rates climbed and their purchasing power was hit, the report found that lenders were denying applications for insufficient income more often than in years past. As mortgage rates rised, the average monthly payment for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rose from $1,400 in December 2021 to $2,045 in December 2022. That does not include taxes or insurance. Mortgage fees and costs went up last year too, rising by 22% from the year before to an average of $5,954. So by reducing the mortgage rate up front, the monthly costs are lower going forward and will be smaller for the life of the loan. Over half of borrowers paid discount points in 2022, which was more than any other year since data collection in this area began, including in 2021. The average borrower paid $2,370 for discount points in 2022. So dear friends, will you be purchasing a home this year or next year? Please let me know in the comments section below. Well, my awesome and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Dear friends, thank you so much for being part of this community. To say thank you, every Friday I will be announcing winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. So please make sure you enter the giveaway by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. The winners of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Stacy Ritchie and Norma Loza. Congratulations, my dearest friends. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you can message me on my Facebook page. Thank you, dearest friends, and have a wonderful and very blessed weekend.